Well, I've always been interested in space, and from like a young age. And a few years ago, I visited the Kennedy Space Center in Florida and saw the Saturn V, like one of the decommissioned Saturn Vs, and it's just really cool. It's like talking about the process of engineering it, especially the like rocket engine, like the coolest part about it. So I was kind of inspired to look more into it, and that led me to aerospace.
So I chose my major biomedical engineering because I've always had this sort of like passion for biology. Um, I used to watch a ton of like those animal shows on like Animal Planet, whatever, and that got me super into like kind of like bodily functions and systems, which I ended up taking like biology in high school, and I really really loved it. I moved on to AP biology, really really loved that, and I was always kind of like good at maths and sciences, which kind of let me put those together. And when I was actually researching Michigan, I saw the biomedical engineering department. And I was like, what is that? So I actually attended their like kind of exploration day. And it clicked, and it kind of combined my two greatest interests.
I chose to major in chemical engineering because I was really interested in sustainability, and part of chemical engineering is that you're able to implement different recycle systems to make these processes have a greater overall sustainability.
I chose my major because ever since I was little, I was always interested in playing games where you would design stuff, and I would carry around a little notebook with all my little building designs. So that's how I chose civil engineering, because there's a structural discipline where you get to focus on that.
I chose my major because I was just really interested in computers, especially in high school. And I was like, man, I really want to know more. How do these things actually work? Like, nobody ever really told me, so I was like, I just want to learn more about it. And well, here we are.
Well, since I was a kid, I always liked to build stuff, so I wanted to make it relatable with my job. Now the technology is growing, I thought it was obvious that going through the CS path was my option.
I chose my major because I was really interested in data analytics and business and kind of the combination of the two. So I decided that IOE has some amazing opportunities and it's a great program at the University of Michigan. So I decided to go on and declare IOE.
I chose MSc because I was really interested in chemistry in high school, and I felt that material science kind of delved into the molecular side of solids, and it was a really good way for me to learn more about like microscopic levels of things.
So I was interested in nuclear engineering coming into my freshman year because I'm really interested in clean energy and carbon neutrality, but I was still a little on the fence until partway through my first semester I came to the department open house, where I got to talk to current students and learn more about the program and meet some professors in the department. And that really sold it for me, just seeing how much everyone loved the department and was so excited about the work they were doing. And seeing what a small department it is and how everyone got along and knew each other is really what got me excited to declare nuclear engineering.